Good day, viewers and listeners. Welcome once again to another episode of Salida TeleRadyo of La Filipina National High School, where you will learn another engaging and exciting lessons that will be very helpful to you. I am your teacher host, Teacher Roslyn Presno. And for today, you will learn many things about the purpose of packaging, a lesson from grade 9 TLE. Let us now welcome our teacher broadcaster, Teacher Michelle Romo Jimentisa.
Good day, viewers and listeners. It's me again, your teacher Michelle Romo Jimentisa, your teacher broadcaster for today. This morning, we're going to discuss the importance of packaging and the types of packaging, which is part of your Module 6 in TLE 9. But before that, let me present to you our objectives for today's lesson. First, you're going to identify the different purpose of packaging. Second, express the importance of types of packaging. And third, answer honestly the questions within the given period of time. But before we will proceed to our discussion, let us assess first your prior knowledge with this topic. You have to arrange the jumbled letters to form a word. I will give you 3 seconds to answer each item. Are you ready? Okay, let us start. First item. Number 1 is we have L, A, C, I, M, E, C, H. What word is formed from the jumbled letters? Let's try to check. You are correct. It is chemical. Second, L, A, C, S, I, P, H, Y. Again, L, A, C, S, I, P, H, Y. What word is formed from the jumbled letter? Let's reveal. Correct. It's physical. Third item. We have letter C, A, L, I, G, L, O, B, I, O. Again, C, A, L, I, G, L, O, B, I, O. What word is formed from the jumbled letters? Let's try to check. Very good, you got it right. It's biological. Now let's proceed to our discussion. In doing so, packaging provides protection from 3 major classes of external influences, such as chemical, biological, and physical. Protection or preservation. Food packaging can retard product deterioration, retain the beneficial effect of processing, extend shelf life, and maintain or increase the quality and safety of food. There are 3 major classes of external influences. Chemical protection minimizes compositional changes are triggered by the environmental influences such as exposure to gases, typically oxygen, moisture, or gain or loss, light, visible, infrared, or ultraviolet. Next is we have the biological protection, provides a barrier to microorganisms or the pathogens and spoiling agents. insects, rodents, and other animals, thereby preventing disease and spoilage. In addition, in biological barriers, maintain condition to control senses, ripening, and aging. And last is we have the physical protections or shields food from mechanical damage. It includes cushioning against the shock and vibration encountered during distribution. So typically, this is developed from the paperboard and corrugated materials. Physical barriers resist impacts, abrasion, crushing damage. So they are widely used as shipping containers and as packaging for delicate foods such as eggs and fresh fruits. Okay, so let's proceed to the purpose of packaging. So we have the safety, brand visibility, bundling together, and the theft prevention, physical protection, and convenience. So let us discuss first the safety. So what is the purpose of safety? So it is used to keep your product safe from external factors. So it also prevents from human tampering. If you want to sell like fruit juice, you just can't hand it over to customers. So it should be packed in something like a stand-up pouch. So it is very common observed in the grocery. Next is we have the brand visibility. Or you can provide the best product in your category and you want your customers to remember that. So of course, we want our product to be remembered or to give a lasting impression to the customers. So we need to have a good packaging. Okay. Next is the theft prevention. So if you sell your product loose, there are chances that the retailer doesn't give the right amount to the customer and save some part for himself. So there are other cases to where theft can be done in absence of packaging. So that's why packaging implies a very important role in every item. Next is we have the physical protection, or the objects enclosed in the package may require protection from among the things: mechanical shock, vibration, electrostatic discharge, compression, and temperature, or etc. Okay, we have also the convenience. So as you can see in the picture, packages can have features that add convenience. So this can be done in handling, stocking, display, or sale, opening, reclosing, dispensing, reuse, or we can recycle the container, and ease of disposal. Next and the last is we have the marketing. The marketing labels can be used by marketers to encourage potential buyers to purchase the product. So those are the purpose of packaging. Now let us proceed to the types of packaging. There are only 3 types. We have the primary, secondary, and tertiary. So we are going to discuss what is primary. Packaging may be described in a relation to the types of product being packed: medical device packaging, bulk of chemical, retail food packaging, military material packaging, and many more. So it is very convenient to sometimes categorize packages by layer or function, such as primary, secondary, and tertiary. Okay, we have first the primary packaging. Or this is the material that first envelops the product and holds it. This is usually the smallest unit of distribution or use and is the packaging which is in direct contact with the contents. Second is we have the secondary packaging. This is the outside primary packaging, perhaps used to group primary packages together. This is usually the smallest unit of distribution or use, and is this the packaging which is in direct contact with the content. So as you can see in the picture, the can is grouped in the box. Next is the tertiary. This is used for bulk handling, warehouse storage, and transport shipping. So this is the very common form. Okay. Unit of load that packs tightly into the container. So let us evaluate and answer honestly the following questions by choosing letter of the correct answer. So let's proceed for the evaluation. Simple instruction is you're going to identify the correct answer and write the letter on your sheet of paper. Okay, number 1 question. This is used to keep your product safe from the external factors. It is also prevents human tampering. Letter A, brand. Letter B, safety. Letter C, theft prevention. Letter D, marketing. I will give you 5 seconds to answer. Your timer starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's reveal the answer. Correct, it's letter B, safety. Question number 2. This is the action of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. A, convenience. B, marketing. C, physical protection. D, bundling it together. Your timer starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2,
What is your answer? Very good. It's letter B, marketing. Item number 3. This is where packages can have features that add convenience in distribution, handling, stocking, display, sale, opening, reclosing, and ease disposal. Letter A, marketing. Letter B, safety. Letter C, theft prevention. Letter D, convenience. Your timer starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's reveal the answer. Letter D, convenience. Very good. So let's proceed to number 4. This type of packaging is used for bulk handling and transport shipping. A, primary. B, secondary packaging. C, tertiary. Or D, packaging. Timer starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is your answer? Very good. It's letter C, tertiary. And for the last item, it is used for shields to keep the product from the mechanical damage and includes cushioning against the shock and vibration encountered during distribution. Is it letter A, physical, B, chemical, C, biological, D, market? Your timer starts now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's reveal. It's letter A, physical. How is your score? If 5, that's great. But if not, you still have a lot of chance to do better by studying your module. Let us continue to master what you have learned today by doing your assignment. Just submit it on the scheduled submission of modules. Assignment: look for a photo of different packages found in any magazines. Cut the photo and then paste it in a yellow paper. So you're going to identify the purpose and identify the purpose of the package found. Explain it into 2 to 3 sentences. I hope you have learned a lot in our discussion today. See you again next time for another lesson in TLE Cookery 9. I'm your teacher, Michelle Romo Jimentisa, thank you and God bless us all.
That was great! Thank you, Teacher Michelle. Thank you, the viewers and listeners, for tuning in. I hope that you have learned a lot from our discussion today. See you again next time for another exciting episode in Salida TeleRadyo. Goodbye, everyone!